Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television with the model number TC-50CX600 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now we're going to talk about two different ways to do this, but first of all there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your TV is not responding or it's not working, it's not connecting to something, it seems to be lagging or glitching, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to set this TV up as a new television, we can go ahead and delete everything off of it, wipe everything off of it, and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. Now the first way to do it I'll just talk about real quickly. You can do it through the setup menu if you have access to the screen. You're just going to press the menu button on the remote and then select setup, then system, then factory default, and then confirm that with the yes. But if your TV's not responding or something like that, we can actually do this with the physical buttons. So as long as the TV is on, we can just come to the back and find the volume down button, and then on the remote we're going to find the menu button just below the power button on the left side, and you're just going to simultaneously press and hold the volume down button and the menu button on the remote. The volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote for at least 5 seconds. After those 5 seconds you can go ahead and unplug the television, let it sit unplugged for a few seconds, plug it back in and turn it back on, and it will reboot into its factory default mode.